Welcome to our channel Giggle and Learn with us.
Hello, little learners! Today, we are going on a fun word adventure. Do you know what a noun is? Let's find out together.
What is a noun?
A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. See? Everything around us has a name, and those names are called nouns.
Common nouns.
Now let's learn about common nouns. Common nouns are general names. They are not special names, like boy, cat, city, apple. These are common nouns because they are general names. They can be any boy, any cat, any city.
Proper nouns.
Now comes something special. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are special names of people, places, or things. They always start with a capital letter, like
Ria, Milo, India, Princeton University.
wow! These are special names, so we write them with big letters. See the difference? Boy, Rohan. City, Mumbai. Dog, Tommy. Common nouns are general. Proper nouns are special.
Quiz time. Let's play a quick game. Tell me, is it common or proper? Cat, Anaya School, India.
Cat, common. Anaya, proper. School, common. India, proper. You did amazing today! Now you know about nouns, common nouns, and proper nouns. Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Giggle and Learn with us.